The Lost Phone. It was a quiet Tuesday afternoon. Sarah sat at her favorite cafe near the train station, sipping her tea and reading a book. She had just finished her Earl Grey when she noticed something strange. There was a phone on the chair next to her, but it wasn't hers. She looked around. The cafe was half empty. A man in a grey coat had just walked out, talking quickly on his phone. An elderly couple sat near the window. The barista wiped the counter, listening to music. Sarah picked up the phone. The screen was cracked, and it had no case. It buzzed in her hand. A message popped up. "Don't tell anyone. Meet me at 6. Sarah's eyes widened. Was it a joke? She looked at the time, 5:42 p.m. She stood up and asked the barista, "Did someone leave this phone?" He shook his head. "Not that I've seen." Sarah thought for a moment. The message was strange, but maybe someone was just meeting a friend. Still, something didn't feel right. She opened the recent messages. There were only 2. 1, "Bring the envelope." 2, "Don't tell anyone. Meet me at 6. Sarah felt nervous. What envelope? Should she take the phone to the police? Just then the phone buzzed again. "Unknown number. We're watching you." Sarah quickly put the phone down. Her heart was racing. She turned around. The man in the grey coat had come back. He stood at the door looking straight at her. Was he looking for the phone, or had he seen her read the messages? Sarah grabbed her bag and walked out. She didn't look back. She took the phone straight to the police station.